Hello class. uh, in this video I'm going to tell you uh, a program. As you can see here, the program is write a program to input basic salary and find and print the HRA, DA, TA and total salary or gross salary. Okay, we have to find the total salary. uh, Here you can see the logic, or I have written the formula. Gross salary or total salary is equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA plus TA. Okay, this is the way by which we can get the total salary. And how can we calculate the HRA, DA and TA? This is written here. You can see HRA will be 30% of basic salary, DA will be 90% of basic salary, and TA is 20% of basic salary. Okay, this is the percentage given here. As per this percentage, we have to calculate the HRA, DA and TA. Okay, how can we calculate, how can we design the program? Just see here the program. Here the first line, import java.io.star. Okay, why this line is written? This line is written to perform explicit input operation, because this util contains the scanner class. That's why I have to written, or we have to written. Okay, after that, the class proc5 I have written. You can write any name for the class. And psvm, this all point I have already told you in previous videos. Okay, the next one is scanner sc new scanner. S should be capital. Okay, and system dot in. Okay, this line, uh, we can say here in this line, the object of a scanner class is being created. Okay, and object name is sc. This sc is the object of a scanner class. Using this sc, we can use scanner methods to perform explicit input operation. Okay, and after that, bs, I have taken int bs to store the basic salary. And here you can see I have written double HRA, DA, TA and total. Okay, double type I have taken all these variables because the if we calculate the HRA, DA, TA in the respect of percentage, then it may be possible that it may be in decimal form. Okay, that's why I have taken double data type. Okay, after that, input basic salary, this is the message, and sc is equal to next int. I had already told you this point. This is the way by which we can take a number in bs variable. Okay, in this bs variable we can store our values. It means basic salary. Okay, after getting the basic salary bs, we have to calculate the HRA, DA, TA as per the percentage given above. This is the percentage 30, 90 and 20. Okay, so here you can see the percentage. HRA is equal to basic salary multiplied by 30 divided by 100. Okay, this is the percentage of HRA, because 30% of basic salary means 30 multiplied by BS divided by 100. This is the 30% of basic salary. Same thing we have to calculate for DA. 80% of basic salary. Okay, 80% of basic salary. Here 80% of basic salary means 80 multiplied by BS and divided by 100. And same thing for the TA. TA means 20% of basic salary means 20 multiplied by BS divided by 100. This is the 20% of basic salary. Okay, after this formula we have HRA, DA and TA. Okay, all the requirements we have. Basic, we have we have basic salary, we have HRA, DA and TA. So next point is we have to calculate the total salary. And as you have seen the above, that how can we calculate the total? The total is, here you can see the total is equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA and plus TA. This is the formula to calculate the gross salary. After getting the gross salary one by one, we have to print. First I have printed here basic salary is equal to plus BS, and SOPL and HRA is equal to plus HRA, DA is equal to plus DA, and TA is equal to plus TA. And finally I have printed here total salary. Total salary is equal to plus total. Okay, here you can see the gap here, this gap, this gap, this gap. Okay, this gap you can make this gap using space bar. Okay, why I have made there a gap? Because I want this equal sign in a parallel line. Okay, that's why I have given a space here. Okay, uh, if you don't give them space, that will also okay. Okay, and after that, after printing all the values, this is main close and this is class close. Okay, this is the way by which we can calculate the to, total salary using basic salary including HRA, DA and TA. Okay, this is the way by which you can perform the program. Okay, let me show you the whole program. If I think you can see the program. Okay, this is the way, this is the program. Okay, and here the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me, and do more programs from your book. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Maybe the school will be open after 15. I will tell you all the programs again. Okay, uh, do the program from the book. Thank you.